Welcome back to Burns Hustles, where you can learn about side businesses and how to be successful. I wanted to review a little bit about Airbnb Rental Arbitrage, and I think you can see the paper I have here. It's not for everyone. There are some pitfalls that you need to be aware of. But yeah, just to review, I'll read a little bit. Airbnb Rental Arbitrage is a practice where a person rents a property on a long-term basis, furnishes it, and then lists it on Airbnb for short-term rentals at a higher price. Now, there are risks involved. If of course, if you don't rent it, then you're kind of on the hook for the rent that you're paying the landlord. Not all landlords are going to want to rent to you. So you're going to have to find a landlord who's motivated. You're going to need to choose an area that is in high demand for short-term rentals, a good tourist area. So yeah, the basic idea behind Airbnb Rental Arbitrage is simple. A person finds a property that they can rent for a low monthly rate, furnishes it, and then lists it on Airbnb for a much higher nightly rate. By doing this, they can earn a significant profit on each rental, especially if the property is located in a popular tourist destination. So sounds simple, maybe more difficult to pull off. You will need your sales skills. You'll need to be able to convince a landlord that it's worth their time. Not so many landlords are going to want many different people coming into their unit. You're also up against some of the rules of the condominium or apartment building. Yet, despite these risks, many people have found success with Airbnb Rental Arbitrage by carefully selecting properties and managing their listings effectively. They can earn significant profits while providing a valuable service to travelers. So yeah, indeed, some people are making a lot of money doing this. I am in effect doing this, but really our family owns both properties. One property technically is owned by my mother and father-in-law, so they're pretty easy to convince. They were easy to convince. So yeah, I would really do your due diligence if you are thinking of getting into this, and I would not believe the hype necessarily, but I would seriously think of this as a possible option to make some extra cash. But yeah, do your research, do your due diligence. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.